Hello guys, welcome to Embarcadero Lessons. Today guys, we are going to be looking at some few questions. We are going to be dealing with a new application. So our new application guys, it is called, ah, all right, let's read the question. Let's read the question guys. So here we have the Mufasa. They're saying Mufasa is a supermarket and he records his daily activities in a book. So you are requested to help Mufasa to move to a computer-based program to speed up shopping process, right? And organize management data by building an application. All items sold at Mufasa supermarket are saved inside the file called items.txt. Right, so this is the file as you can see at the bottom. So we have item name. The item name, you can see it's a cooking oil. So it's been separated or been, it's a hashtag delimited file. So as you can see, you have cooking oil. This is the item name. We have size, it's 2 liter. We have price, it's 25 rands. We have a barcode, as you can see here. We also have the quantity, meaning that we have 7 cooking oils, right? Okay, so we continue. So here we're looking for the first question. The first question says, when a program starts, update the status bar with the current date and the time. Use the form show event. So guys, these are the important things that you have to look at whenever you are doing your or you're answering your questions, right? So they will specify things such as use the form show. So don't use yours, don't use whatever you like. Use exactly what you are told, right? So they said use the form show event. Let's go to our Embarcadero then do that. So before we go, as you can see here, guys, at the bottom here, you can see that there is a panel, meaning that whatever message we are going to be printing out to the panel. So we are supposed to print out today is Thursday, blah, 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 and also the time we started the application, right? So let's go. So guys, this is the design of our application. It looks like this. So the first thing first, as they said, that you're supposed to code on the form show event of the form. It's a form show event. So you're going to go to events. You look for form show. As you can see, it's here. Then you double click. When you double click, you're going to have this code here. So this one is, I have already coded it, so I'm going to be explaining. So as you can see, guys, you are supposed to first copy the name of the status bar. It is called STB info. Therefore, you point to panels because what we are dealing with panels. So where is the message is going to be sent to? It's going to be sent to the panels, right? So you specify which panel is that. So therefore, you say items 0. So because if you have the first panel, it's panel 0, therefore, and it's the first one. So also the second one, you can say 1, right? So that after that, you point to the text of the panel. Therefore, you use the function called format date time. So we use this to be able to get the date of today, the time of today. We use this function. Right, you say format date time, then after that you open a bracket, right? So you are supposed to put everything inside your double quote. It's like a string. It's supposed to be a string. Therefore, you specify now, meaning that the current time or the current date, right? So we are going to say today is, so this is a message, right? Before, so this one, because it's just a message, we're supposed to always put it in your single quote, So just like that, it's going to be displayed. Same applies to this application started at, or before I continue, then here, as you can see, this we have 4 Ds, letter Ds. This one, it represents a full day number, a full day name. If it's Saturday, it's supposed to show it in full. Saturday. If you wanted to show in short, like set, or Tuesday, if it's Tuesday, you're supposed to use three D's. So if you use only two, you're going to have a number specifying the day, which day is today. So we are going to see a number. That's why here we are having two D's. Therefore, if we need, you're supposed to the year, you're supposed to use so that's the application. So you use hour N for your S for your seconds. Also here you can use C. So let's combine. Let's wait for the compiler to finish. Right, as you can see at the bottom of our panel, as you can see at the bottom of our panel, we have today is Saturday, 27 August 2022. Then also the time, which is just like that, your hours, minutes, then your seconds. Then done. We're going to the second question. So we're going to be doing two questions for today, or three if I have enough time. So we're going to do the second question. Let's go. So the second question says, when load item button is clicked, load all items from the file. The file is called items.txt to the list box called items, right? Then separate your items by tabs in this list box. Display the big panel. Okay, right. We continue. Let's see. And let's go to our program and code. Right, this is our load items button. So we double click there, therefore we're supposed to code here. So what is it that we have to do? We have to load the information and separate them with tabs, right? Then, what do we do first? Well, I'm going to explain and demonstrate using two ways of loading the information to your list box. So the first one, I'm going to use T strings, right? So we are going to say T strings, therefore we say info. Oh, before that, strings. I don't remember well. Therefore, we're going to say info. It's equals to strings this. You have to specify new. Don't remember. I don't know. See, it's continue. And after this, we are to the info, right? Therefore, we're going to say info. Going to load from file. Which file is that? I'm going to say from debug items txt. Okay, seems like we're having errors. Let's see here. T strings. T strings. Oh. Strings. Okay. Same what? Oh, not T strings. String list. Copy. Let's see. Do we have T? Yeah, I forgot this one, guys. I forgot string. Let's see, we have new here. Okay. Saying what here? Okay. This thing doesn't have items. Let's use this and see. It's giving me a warning. Then after that, let's try declaring int value, which is equals to in 4.2 count. Okay, allows us. Then after that, let's have a for loop. Int I is equals to 0. I must be less than value. Then I increment. An answer string called line. Then we're going to read the line from the info point to specify which strings is there to say I. And after that, what do we do? Now we have the line, right? We have the line, therefore we're supposed to chop it and send it to the list box, right? So what we are going to do, what is this? Okay. Then we're supposed to have these variables. We're supposed to have item, name, size, price, X. Then we'll have a quantity, right? Here it's fixed, C, right? Then after this, now we are supposed to chop. So we're going to chop the item name. So we're going to say item name line substring from one position of a hashtag, right? Therefore we exclude the hashtag. Then after that we update the line. We want to say line dot line equals to line dot delete. We delete from where? We delete from one to the position. Then we'll do the same thing until quantity. So I'm going to just copy this and paste. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Then we're going to have here size of the price. Then here we're going to have okay, here we include the barcode. Then here, so because the quantity we've already deleted everything, so we can just say line, just like that. Then after that, when we're done checking, we're supposed to add everything to the list box, right? The name of the list box, copy that, point to items. So when are we adding? Okay, guys, sorry about that. Then list items, we add the items. Therefore, we include the tab. Then we also add the size until to the quantity. Just copy that, paste it here, then this, copy, paste, paste, paste. Very simple and nice. So we are done now. We have added everything to the list box. So let's try and see if our code is working or not. Do we have any errors? Oh, something is missing on our program, guys. Before, something is missing. They said we must show this panel, right? Let's copy the name of the panel, copy, paste, point to disable, then equals to true, just like that. Now we can run our code. Right. So now we're supposed to load the information, and it's loading very nice. It's very beautiful. And you can see our form here. It's very nice, very straightforward, right? So let's continue. Let's continue. So what's the next question? Oh, guys, I said I will show you two ways of loading the information. As you can see here, we use the string list. So now we're going to be using the string grid, right? So instead of this, let's comment this. Then here, we can change this and say T string reader. T string reader. Then we say info equals to new T string or string reader, not string. Sorry, string 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 reader. Nice, just like this. You see? So here there's no need of counting. We don't count. After this, we can change the for loop, change the for loop into a while loop, and say not info points to and string, just like that. Therefore, you're going to say info point to read line, just like that. Then you are done with your code. We are done with your code. You can remove this. You don't need this. So it's up to you guys which one is simple for you. Let's see if it's working or not. Okay, and you see, still we are able to upload the information. There you have it. Right now we have to check the second question. What's the second question? The third question. The next question. The next question, it says scan the selected item. Okay, guys, this for this one we are supposed to have a separate video so that I'll be able to explain for you to understand. I don't want guys to have long videos, so I want it to be short. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification button. Thank you very much, guys. Stay tuned for the next video.